Hey, photography enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of budget-friendly fantastic cameras that pack a punch. If you're on the hunt for a fantastic camera without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Let's get started.
Number 5.
Introducing the Panasonic Lumix G100, your ultimate companion for lights, camera, and action. This sleek black beauty, equipped with a 12 to 32mm lens, is your ticket to professional-looking content creation. But it's not just about the looks, it's about the features that make your content stand out. The intelligent auto mode ensures that every shot is perfect, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting. The facial recognition feature keeps you in focus, while the dual image stabilization guarantees blur-free moments, no matter where life takes you. And here's the game changer. Seamlessly connect the Lumix G100 to your computer for web calls and live streams that look like they're straight out of a studio. It's the perfect tool for those who want to make an impact online. Lights, camera, action. The Panasonic Lumix G100 is your all-in-one solution for creating content that turns heads.
Number 4.
Introducing the Pentax KF APS-C Digital SLR, a masterpiece designed for those who dare to venture into the great outdoors. Packed with features to withstand the elements, this camera is your passport to capturing the essence of nature. Built with a dust-proof and weather-resistant design, the KF laughs in the face of challenging conditions. Take it anywhere, from sandy deserts to frosty landscapes, with confidence. It's your trusty companion, even in temperatures as low as 14 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 10 degrees Celsius. But it's not just about durability, it's about delivering stunning visuals. The 24.24 megapixels APS-C sensor ensures your shots are not only rugged but also crystal clear. The glass pentaprism optical viewfinder provides an immersive experience, allowing you to frame your shots with precision, whether you're stargazing or capturing wildlife. So, if you're an adventurer at heart and demand a camera that can keep up with your explorations, the Pentax KF is your ultimate companion.
Number 3.
Behold the Sony Alpha 7 IV. A full-frame marvel designed for those who dare to dream big. This interchangeable lens camera is armed with a mighty 33 megapixels x-more-R CMOS sensor, ensuring your shots are nothing short of breathtaking. But we're just getting started. Immerse yourself in the world of cinema-quality video with 4K 60p capabilities and the advanced color expression of the S-Cinetone color profile. Every frame is a masterpiece waiting to happen. Equipped with a 28 to 70mm zoom lens, this kit is your passport to versatility. From wide-angle wonders to captivating close-ups, the possibilities are endless. Now, let's talk power. The Alpha 7 IV boasts 8x more processing power, thanks to its next-gen Bion ZXR image processing engine. Say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless performance, whether you're capturing stills or recording videos.
Number 2.
Introducing the Canon EOS Rebel T7, your gateway to boundless creativity. This DSLR powerhouse packs a punch with its impressive 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, ensuring every detail is captured with precision. The dual-pixel CMOS AF takes your autofocus game to the next level, making sure your shots are sharp and clear, but that's not all. The kit comes with a versatile 18 to 55mm plus 75 to 300mm lens, giving you the flexibility to frame your shots just the way you want. Whether you're capturing vast landscapes or zooming in for those up-close moments, this kit has you covered. Navigate through your shots with the advanced 9-point AF system, ensuring you never miss a moment. The stunning optical viewfinder provides a crystal-clear perspective, making each shot a work of art. And here's a game-changer. With the EOS Utility Webcam beta software, your Canon camera transforms into a high-quality webcam. Whether you're into vlogging, video calls, or live streaming, take your content to the next level.
Number 1.
Photographers and videographers, get ready for a game-changer. Introducing the Nikon Z62, a versatile full-frame mirrorless camera that's not just a tool, it's a gateway to limitless creativity. This USA model powerhouse is designed to meet the demands of both stills and video enthusiasts. Picture this. A stunning 24.5 megapixels BSI resolution capturing every detail with precision. Want to bring your stories to life? The Z62 delivers with 4K UHD video at 60p, a visual feast for your audience. Need speed? How about a rapid 14 frames per second continuous shooting speed for those fast-paced moments? But that's not all. Dual card slots provide flexibility and peace of mind during critical shoots. Get comfortable with a design that's not just ergonomic but also compatible with a vertical grip for added power and easier shutter operation when shooting vertically. And with USB-C constant power, you'll never have to worry about running low on energy during your creative sessions.